Today, under the direction of the Provincial Health Officer, we are directing all schools to immediately suspend in-class instruction until further notice.
More drastic measures from the BC government as it works to contain the spread of the COVID-19 virus. BC's Education Minister announcing that all classes from kindergarten right through to grade 12 will be cancelled as of the end of spring break. How schools will resume still being figured out. With no timeline for when schools might be able to reopen, education officials are now trying to figure out how to continue to teach students, but not in classrooms.
We don't have all the answers today. We're in a fast-moving situation. As COVID-19 evolves, we must work together to meet the needs of students and school communities.
The announcement comes the day after the province announced gatherings of more than 50 people would be banned, and it follows similar moves made by BC's neighbours. Over the weekend, the Alberta government said it was suspending K through 12 in schools indefinitely because of the pandemic, and south of the border in Washington state, schools have already been closed for 6 weeks. The news especially unsettling for grade 12 students who are supposed to graduate. BC's Education Minister says they will.
I know that parents of students in grade 12 will have unique concerns. Every student eligible to graduate grade 12 this year will graduate. The only graduation assessment required for grade 12 students is grade 10 numeracy assessment. Most of grade 12 students currently have fulfilled that requirement. The Ministry of Education, however, will work to ensure that all grade 12 students who have not yet completed this assessment and who are otherwise on track to graduate are able to meet this graduation requirement.
Fleming says high schools are working with post-secondary institutions to help graduates move on to university or college in the fall. The sudden suspension of school also raising concerns about what happens to kids who need supervision, but no longer have school to occupy their day. BC's Premier says childcare is a priority.
And we're taking direction from Dr. Henry on these matters, and she's made it clear to us that healthcare providers and other essential personnel within the economy, within the infrastructure that we need to have in place to provide services to people, need access to childcare. And at this time, childcare will remain available. Parents should take comfort in that, but it is an evolving situation.
Oregon says they're also reviewing school meal plans to ensure kids in need don't suffer. In Vancouver, David Zura, City News.